In the past few years, people have shifted their focus from websites to apps. Native or semi-native experiences have gained the bulk of our attention. However, I still think websites are really awesome and they can do cool things. In some of my past videos, I've showcased some apps or services that are either Apple only or Android only. Today, we're taking a look at some really cool websites I've come across, which will let anyone give them a spin regardless of what device they're using. First is a wallpaper website. I'm a sucker for good wallpapers. I often change my wallpaper every day, if not multiple times a day. Is that normal? No? Oh. Okay then. This website features some really dope, high quality black wallpapers. They're all rendered in Cinema 4D and they look great. And by the way, all of the websites mentioned in this video will be linked down in the description below. Now the next website is a bit similar, being a wallpaper website. However, it's primarily focused towards iPhone X users. It basically hides the notch. I personally don't mind the notch, but for those who do, this is really great. Next in our lineup of totally random websites is xkcd.com. If you like comics that talk about relevant things, this website is for you. It's pretty funny. Now, most of the comics are geared toward a tech audience, but normal people can get a kick out of these as well. Hackertyper.com is a website that lets you pretend to be a hacker. Might be useful for shooting a short film or something. We've got Plover.io, which might be the most useful one here. It basically allows you to share files locally, almost like AirDrop. All you have to do is visit the website on the same Wi-Fi network as the device you want to send a file to or receive a file from. Then just drag and drop files and you can easily download them on the receiving device. Plover.io deletes files right after you download them, and they're automatically deleted 5 minutes after if no one downloads them. Well, that's it for this video. Kind of random, I know. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like tech videos, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, I'll see you all later.